Cleaning your home or workspace is serious business. So why leave it in inexperienced hands? At Clean Australia Service, we are your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. We have been in business for over a decade, bringing our clients the best of our cleaning services. Always focused on providing the best possible solution for your cleaning needs, whether in homes or offices. And with the most qualified expert team, fully committed to meeting the highest quality standards. At Clean Australia Service, we offer regular house and office cleaning services, carpet steam cleaning, end-of-lease cleaning, NDIS cleaning, complete sanitation, and much more. We provide a premium service, free of harmful products, and always thinking about the protection of your health and your property. In addition to having the most advanced equipment and everything necessary to provide you with only the best. Contact us now through our website or request a free on-site quotation. To learn more about us, please check our 5-star reviews on Google and Facebook. We are unique and expert in what we offer. Experience the difference and receive the quality of our premium cleaning services for your home or office today. Clean Australia Service, one call, clean it all.